Let us write the differences between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Differences between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Difference between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. First, hypothyroidism. Second is hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism. In hypothyroidism, there will be weight gain. There will be weight gain. Whereas in hyperthyroidism, there will be weight loss. There will be weight loss. In hypothyroidism, there will be decreased appetite. There will be decreased appetite. In hyperthyroidism, there will be increased appetite. Increased appetite. There will be increased appetite. In hypothyroidism, there will be confusion. There will be increased confusion. In hyperthyroidism, there will be tachycardia. Tachycardia. In hypothyroidism, there will be bradycardia. Bradycardia. Okay. In hypothyroidism, there will be middle ear effusion. Middle ear effusion. And in hypothyroidism, there will be diastolic hypertension. Diastolic hypertension. Diastolic hypertension. In hypothyroidism, there will be constipation. There will be constipation. Hypothyroidism, there will be menorrhagia. Menorrhagia in females. In hypothyroidism, there will be loss of hair. Loss of hair. In hyperthyroidism, there will be heat intolerance. Heat intolerance. Heat intolerance. There will be diarrhea. There will be diarrhea. There will be amenorrhea in females. Amenorrhea in female. And there is increased risk of abortion. There is increased risk of abortion. And there will be infertility. These are some important differences. And one more thing that we have to remember is the most common cause of hypothyroidism is Graves' disease. Graves' disease. Whereas in hyperthyroidism, the most common cause of hypothyroidism is Hashimoto thyroiditis. It is Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Okay, the most common cause of hypothyroidism is Hashimoto thyroiditis. Whereas the most common cause of hypothyroidism is Graves' disease. It is Graves' disease.